Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce video size. Large video files can consume significant storage and make sharing difficult. We'll explore fundamental techniques to shrink your videos without sacrificing too much quality. You'll learn about codecs, bitrates, and resolution adjustments, empowering you to manage your media more effectively. By the end, you'll have practical strategies to achieve smaller, more manageable video files for any purpose. One of the most effective ways to reduce video size is through smart compression. Modern codecs like H.264 and H.265, also known as high-efficiency video coding, are crucial. Adjusting the bitrate, which is the amount of data per second, directly impacts file size. A lower bitrate means a smaller file, but too low can degrade quality. Aim for a balance, perhaps between 5,000 and 10,000 kilobits per second for high-definition video, depending on your needs. Resolution and frame rate also play a huge role in video file size. Reducing your video's resolution, for example, from 4,000 pixels to 1,092 pixels, can drastically cut down the data. Similarly, lowering the frame rate from 60 frames per second to 30 frames per second, especially for content without rapid motion, will yield smaller files. Always consider your target platform and audience to find the optimal balance between visual fidelity and file size. Many tools can help you reduce video size, from professional editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro to free converters like Handbrake. When using these, experiment with settings to find what works best for your specific video. Remember to always keep a backup of your original, high-quality file before making any irreversible changes. This ensures you can always revert if the compressed version doesn't meet your expectations, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.